will show you step by step how you can promote Fiverr affiliate links on Facebook using free traffic. Okay, and as you can see over here, I made $15,250 in commission just in one single month. Okay, from the first day of March until today. Okay, I made this commission $15,250 in commission. Okay, and in this video, guys, I will show you step by step how you can promote your affiliate links on Facebook so you can earn commission. Okay, so let's get started. So for people who are new to my YouTube channel and you want to start making money with Fiverr affiliate marketing, what you need to do first, go to Google, search for Fiverr, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. Okay, so you just need to come to this page and scroll down, go to community and click over here on affiliate. You will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website, so you can check this website. You can get idea about how much you will earn for each service. They are really paying a good commission and you can make a lot of money. Just click over here on join now, and here you go. You will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. Just put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, your password, and account type, make it private. Do you have main source of traffic? You can say yes or no. Choose your country and choose your language. Okay, if you have Skype, you can put your Skype here. If you don't have, that's fine, just click on next and that's it. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliates. Okay, so what you need to do next is you need to choose good and profitable services that you will promote on Facebook to earn commission. And I will share with you one of my profitable services that I'm promoting on Facebook to earn a lot of commission. And I will share with you how we can find people who will be interested to buy this service from your affiliate link so we can earn commission. Okay, so what you will do next, you will go back to your home page on Fiverr. Okay, go back to your home page and search for this service. It's new. Okay, search for Simpson. Search for Simpson portrait. Okay, like this. Search for Simpson portrait. Okay, and scroll down. I want you to pay attention in this step. Okay, always make sure to choose good sellers. Choose like level 1 seller, level 2 seller, sellers who has a lot of reviews. So if people click on your affiliate link and they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from your affiliate link and you will earn commission. Okay, so let's choose for example like this one. Okay, this one is level 2 seller. He has a lot of reviews. This service is just for $10. I will click on his service. Okay, and you will be directly in his Fiverr profile page. As you can see, what you need to do next is you need to copy this seller profile link and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, click on marketing tools, click on default and deep links and click over here and put this seller profile link here. Okay, click over here again and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. What you need to do next, you need to promote this affiliate link on Facebook. Okay, so let's go to Facebook. Go to your Facebook homepage like this, click on the search for Simpson. Okay, search for Simpson. Let me show you first. Search for Simpson like this. Okay, you have here filters. Okay, scroll down, click on groups. Okay, because we need Facebook groups. Okay, and here you go. You will find a lot of groups about Simpson cartoon. Okay, make sure to join all those groups. Okay, click on join and join all those groups. Let's check this group for example. You will be directly in this group. Scroll down. You have here a lot of people who love this cartoon. It's I think it's USA cartoon movie that people watch. Okay, from I think the audience is from USA, okay? So those people love this Simpson cartoon, okay? And they love watching this. So those people will love to turn their pictures, okay, into Simpson cartoon, okay? And that's what the seller is doing, okay? So what you will do, go back to this Facebook group, okay? Click over here on write something and you will create a post, okay? So what you will do, let me show you. You will go back to this seller profile page, okay? And you will click on his picture like this and double click and click on save image, okay? And save this picture to your laptop, okay? I'm gonna name it Simpson, for example. Click on save, okay? I will go back to Facebook, to this Facebook group. I will click over here on photo, okay? And I will upload this picture to this group, okay? Click over here on add photos, and here you go. Click on your picture, click on open, and your picture will be uploaded like this on this Facebook group, as you can see. So you will click over here on create a public post, go back to this seller profile page and copy his title, okay, like this, and go back to this Facebook group and put this title here, okay? I will drawing Simpson custom portrait, okay? And here you go. So what you will do next, you will click on post, okay? Click on post. So your post will be published on this group. Do people who are interested to turn their pictures into Simpson portrait, they will contact you, okay? So for example, here I will draw custom. If I will so create this. If you are interested, if you are interested, you can contact me, okay? Contact me like this. If you are interested, contact me, okay? And click on post. This post will be published on this group. People who are interested, they will get back to you, they will contact you, okay? They will send you a message and they will ask you about this service, okay? And what you will do, you will send your affiliate link, go back to your Fiverr affiliate link and copy your affiliate link from here or from here, and those people, if ask them if they are interested to turn their pictures into a custom cartoon portrait. If they say yes, send your affiliate link to those people. They will click on your affiliate link. They will be directly in this seller profile page. Click on continue, buy this service from your affiliate link, and you will earn commission, okay? If you don't want to post your affiliate link here, okay? Okay, if you can also put your affiliate link here if you want, okay? You can copy your affiliate link from here or from here, but so for example like this, but the first method is better, okay? You can use the first method. I can put my affiliate link here and they can click on post and they can post this post on this group, okay? But it's better to leave it just like this, okay, and click on post, and that's it, okay? So that's how you can promote your Fiverr affiliate links on Facebook. That's the method that I'm using. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and make sure to join a lot of groups, okay? You have here millions of groups on Facebook. You can get so much traffic. Click on join, and you will find a lot of people who will be interested to buy this service from your affiliate link, and you can make a lot of money with this method, okay? And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and see you in my next videos.